In this classic flip video, we're going to go over the object of the game and game setup. Now the object of the game in classic flip is to collect 5 of a kind. That can be 5 queens, 5 sevens, 5 twos. It doesn't really matter what you're collecting as long as you get at least 5 of them. You'll score points when you get 5 or more of a certain kind, and those points accumulate each round. And the first player to score 200 points or more will win the game. Now we're going to talk a little bit about game setup before we start. And what you can do, there's different ways you can go about it. You can say the youngest person at the table deals first, the oldest deals first, the player with the birthday coming up next deals first. There's a whole bunch of different ways. In the rules, what we recommend that you do is that you deal 1 card to each player who's going to be playing, and then you have each player flip over their card, and whatever the highest value is on any of these cards, that's the player that will go first. Now this player here has an action card. Action cards are actually scored as a 0, so this player will not be going first. This player has a 10, that's her highest value, but I actually have a queen. So I have the highest value of any of the cards here, so I'll be the first dealer. I take these cards and I put them back in the deck and shuffle them around to begin dealing. And as the dealer, I deal first to the player on my left. I deal the first card to each player face down, and then I deal the first community card out in the center of play. Then I deal the second and the third card to each player and the community in the same fashion. Once each player has 3 cards, and there's 3 cards in the community area, we then take the remaining cards and set them in the center as the draw pile. Those will become the cards that we'll draw when it's our turn if we choose to. We're ready to start playing. We go ahead and look at our hands, and this is where play can begin.